Morning folks, welcome back to the Key. Today we're going to finish up the build on the smoker craft floor. Anyways, we'll get her done today. All that's left now is putting the carpet in. So let's get at her. So yeah, let's get at her. But don't forget your drink. Grab your coffee, your beer, whatever. You know, it's Halloween, probably a handful of candy. It's not a bad idea either. Alright, back at it. Cooler here today than when we started this project, but anyway, it is what it is. It's all of 5 degrees Celsius here this morning, so I don't care where you are, that's a little cool. Mind you, for October 31st around here, there's no snow on the ground, we're doing well. Time for a new blade, looks like, Mark. Yeah, look at that, new blade. So as you can see, it looks like that plywood is stained. It's actually resined, like I was telling you about in the last video. So what I do is I thin the resin about 5% with acetone. And that makes it flow a little bit better. I don't use quite as much resin then. Behind door number 3 is a battery. Shoot it in place. Now I'm actually using stainless steel staples, again for a little more longevity. Trying to remember if it was done elsewhere. Just like that. There, a little easier on the feet. Alright, let's go find the stainless steel screws and we'll put this into the boat. Does it fit? Let's find out. Oh yeah, it fits. There. Now we just gotta screw it down. In the back. I'm just putting these guys on, the button, what do they call these things? Finishing cup washers. There. Just so it's a little bit smoother if you're going to be in here barefoot. That way you're not hurting your tootsies. 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 Sounds like Tootsie Roll. Halloween. Happy Halloween, everybody. Leaning over the gunnel. Get your ab work out, yeah. Ab roller, no, gunnel roller works better. Hurts more. Dark as... Oh, wait a minute. Somebody put something in my coffee. Yummy. That must be that B creamer. B grade creamer. That's what it is. Yeah. There. Thing of beauty. Better ones to do. One thing I've learned about these stupid little stainless steel screws is they don't like to be torqued down. Like you're not gonna you torque it too much, they break. Or I guess they're more brittle. What's a I can't remember the word I'm looking for. They're just brittle. What's that first step? Come on. There, snug as a bug in a rug. Well. He said, thank you. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Coffee. Coffee, coffee. Ah, very hot coffee. There you go. I guess I'm going to have to get some stickers made. Some Manistow Key swag. There. Like that. So I guess if you're watching this and you're kind of wondering how it all went together to start with, I'm going to have to put the link to the original build, or the rough build, I guess, or whatever you want to call it, in the description. So let's see if I can do this right here. We're going to put it right there. Let's see if I can figure out how to do that. Oh yeah! Like a rock, even though it's just wood. More coffee, it's yummy. Still dead bought too. Speaking about French, or talking a little bit of French, I had a conversation the other day with, I don't know if it was my wife or somebody, talking about hot dogs. Now, when I went to school, you called a hot dog a chien chaud. Now, I've been told that that's not correct anymore. So, Luke or Dave or Joe, let me know, because I'm all confused about how to say hot dog in French. I like my hot dog, so I want to make sure I get what I want. It's a beautiful thing coming together. Okay, we got that side done now. One last thing to do. So we got to mount the fuel tank. Oh, there's a coffee over there. Maybe I should go to some more of that. And for his first act, ladies and gentlemen, he's going to try to screw through a piece of aluminum. Key term, try. Yep. Okay, sometimes I'm not the brightest. Alright, 1 second. Bzz, bzz. There we go. There. Now you'll work. Hopefully. Don't get too smart. That'll be when it breaks on you. Get in there. In. Well. Holy. Hey, rookie. There. Stick that in your pipe. Must be the Halloween in the air or something. Oh, beautiful. Loving it. Oh, there's more coffee. Okay, we got her done. So, front floor, carpeted in. Middle floor, carpeted in. And without falling over, there's the rear floor carpeted in. And the Cruisaday is secure. Not gonna go anywhere. Anyway, got that one done. Hope you enjoyed the video. We're busy with other things here today. I got some welding to do. I got new bunks to make for the mill. So lots to do before this snow flies. And given that it's October 31st, I think we're still pushing our luck, but we're gonna keep going. Anyway, happy Halloween, everybody. Take care. Thanks for coming back.